Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope your day is going great. In this video, I'm going to be trying out Zara's Hydro Glow Tinted Moisturizer. So this product comes in 19 shades. I picked up the shade W943. This is what the box it came in looks like. And this is the main product packaging. Looks nice. That aside, this is said to be an ultra light creamy texture that evens out skin tone and camouflages imperfection for a natural radiant finish. Let's see how this is going to look like on my skin. First, I'm going to prime my face with the Milk Hydro Grip, Hydro Grip, Hydro Glow. Don't mind me. So I'm going to put this on areas where I need the primer to be on. Basically where I'm going to be more shiny. I'm going to swatch the tinted moisturizer for you guys. So this is what it looks like on my skin. So what do you guys think about this shade match? Did I do a good job? I think it doesn't look bad, but let me apply it to my whole face and we'll see how it goes. I also picked up their beauty blender and I already soaked it up in water. So, soft to an extent, it's okay. I'm going to use my fingers to apply this to my face as opposed to the beauty blender and a brush. Maybe I'll just finally use this to touch it up. This looks nice. So what do you guys think? Here I have the tinted moisturizer and here is my bare skin with primer. Primer side. Primer and tinted moisturizer. So I have a spot right here. I want to try and cover it up. Let's see how this is going to turn out. So it doesn't really cover up, very dark spots, but it's definitely going to even out your skin somehow. Let me apply it to the rest of my face. So this is what I look like after application. It looks like a good match in my opinion. When I take this down, it looks very decent. Let me show you guys what it looks like with natural light. So we've seen how it looks like with natural light. It's not bad, to be honest. I think it's a decent match. I still want to know what you guys think though. I want to use their beauty blender to press in the product. This will sort of take off the excess shine that you're seeing. Just shade it down a bit. There's still a bit of radiance on my skin, as you guys can see. So I want to go in with concealer. So I'm going to use Zara's concealer. If it's not bright enough, I will use the e.l.f. one or go with the Too Faced one. So I'm using Zara's concealer in W941 and I'm taking e.l.f. in Deep Chestnut. I'm going to put links to purchase these products in the description box. So this is not bright enough. I'm going to use Too Faced now because it's brighter than all these ones. But I've actually just done my whole face without using a concealer, but just so that it looks like a proper beat. Now I want to go in with setting powder. Remember, things I just use will be in the description box. So I'm not really enjoying using the beauty blender to apply powder, which I normally would. So I'm swapping to this, powder puff that I got from Shein. I prefer this. So I look very powdery and uneven. I'm just going to use a powder brush. Going in with my blush. And I'm going to set my face with allow it to air dry while I'm doing my eyeshadow. This and this. So Zara actually does have eyeshadow, but I don't know. I already have like a big eyeshadow palette and I don't need any small palette. So this is the only small palette I want to have. So you can check. I like the mixture of the brown and this copper. Should I call it copper or brown? Okay, so I'm going to go and wear false lashes and complete the rest of my face, and I'll be back to show you guys my final look. So guys, this is my finished look. I really like how this look came together. One thing I need to state is that this product is really lightweight and breathable. I don't feel like I have any product on my skin. It's just really, really nice on the skin. And you guys can see that it lives up to its claims in the sense that it is, it's going to give you like a radiant finish. In terms of it covering, evening out your blemishes, I feel like it's just slightly, it doesn't really do much like how a full coverage foundation would do. The coverage is light as it describes. A little also can go a long way. You don't have to like necessarily pack a lot. I did like the shade I picked. It was a good choice. I feel like if I had gone a shade down, it would have been too dark. And if I went a shade up, it would have been too light. So overall, I do like this. Do I recommend it? Well, it's not like something you should rush and go and buy like a staple in your makeup routine. But if you want to try it out, you can get it. If you feel like, $20, £15 or 16 euros is too much for you, you can get your hands on the Real Meal skin tints. That one is also really nice.
Here's what my skin looks like with natural light. I like the glow.
One thing I do not like about this product has to be the packaging. Oh my god. It looks really nice and, pleasurable in the eyes, in my opinion. But it is wasteful. Like, see. I wish they, copied or emulated the cushion type of, dispensation, in my opinion. I wish they used like the, how mousse foundations used to be. Is it mousse now? Or how cushion foundations are. I wish they copied that, type of or sort of packaging instead of the black thing they put there. This is like a wasteful packaging. If you're not careful, the whole product can just spill and your money is gone. So that's pretty much what I don't like about this product. Aside that, it's okay. The Beauty Blender, on the other hand, is not like soft, but it's softer than most Beauty Blender. It's not as soft as the Real Techniques, in case you're wondering, but it's okay and it does the job. I really did not enjoy using it to apply my setting powder. And I normally would use a Beauty Blender to press in my setting powder. So this wasn't really a fun one to use, to be honest. So if you're looking for like a starter Beauty Blender, you can get this. It is pretty cheap for the price. That's pretty much it, guys. I really don't have anything much to say about this tinted moisturizer. If you have any questions, do leave it in the comment section. With that being said, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching and do have a wonderful, wonderful week.